Let's discuss coordinate covalent bond. It is a covalent bond involving the sharing of electrons, but these electrons are coordinated between two molecules. Here the lone pairs are coordinated between two molecules. This is ammonia molecule that has one lone pair on nitrogen. This is the electronic configuration of hybridized nitrogen atom. What is hybridization? What is sp3 hybridization? You can check out the video about hybridization in the I button and right in the description box. The link is given. Firstly, check out that one and then come back to the video. You will understand better. Anyways, this is the sp3 hybridization of nitrogen atom and 3 electrons are unpaired. It is 3 electrons away from completing its octet, so nitrogen prefers to share its 3 unpaired electrons with 3 hydrogen atoms. This sharing is simply a covalent bond. One electron is shared by nitrogen and the other one is shared by hydrogen. This sharing results bond pair. Electrons are shared between two atoms, so these electrons are regarded as bond pairs. Now, what about this electronic pair? It is not shared between nitrogen and hydrogen. So this one is regarded as lone pair. sp3 hybridization in ammonia gives it trigonal pyramidal geometry involving one lone pair. Now let's consider another molecule as coordinate covalent bond is between two molecules. One molecule is ammonia and second one is BF3. This is the electronic configuration of boron that has one electron in p orbital of second shell. The 2s orbital contains paired electrons that are excited and after excitation are promoted to 2py and 3 unpaired electrons are available. sp2 hybridization results in 3 equivalent hybridized orbitals, while unhybridized 2pz orbital is also available with no electron. 3 unpaired electrons make 3 bonds with 3 fluorine atoms. 3 bond pair means 6 electrons. So its valence shell contains 6 electrons. After formation of BF3, boron is still electron deficient. It is 2 electrons away from completing its octet. Now here comes the limitation of completing octet and duplet concept. Some molecules, after getting the stability and after lowering their energy, are still deficient of electron. So BF3 is regarded as electron deficient. sp3 hybridization gives it trigonal planar geometry. Now BF3 is electron deficient and ammonia contains lone pair. These lone pairs are coordinated between nitrogen and boron. This coordination results coordinate covalent bond. When nitrogen coordinates its lone pair with boron, it will get the positive charge. Positive charge will be written at superscript of the bracket. Coordinate covalent bond results in adduct or addition product. As the lone pairs are added into pz orbital of boron in BF3, so this whole product is regarded as adduct or addition product. This is all about the coordinate covalent bond. Wait for the next video that is about the metallic